This is the 2022 Chevy Silverado Trail Boss LT trim model. It has a 5.3 engine in it. I purchased it through Copart. It was wrecked and totaled. This video is to show you me putting it back together and bringing it back to life. As you can see, the roof is totally smashed down in the back. The opening is totally collapsed. Tailgate is pushed down, so I'm thinking a pole or a tree fell on it. I don't know the history behind it. It's just real bad. And now you can see how bad the tailgate is. Tailgate, tail lights, the whole back end, the whole vehicle was a mess. I don't know how they did it, but it was bad. Here you can see more of the crinkle of the push down of that roof. The rear bumper scratched and scraped up. I'm gonna have to paint that. I'm gonna have to replace the tailgate, tail lights. Here you can see down the side of the panel how every panel was hit. It may not look as bad, but as the camera go down, the drone goes down, you can see all the ripples and the dents and dings. It was totally bad. The doors wouldn't even shut in the back. The pillars was smashed in. Mirrors smashed. The hood was dents on it too. So both sides. Here you can see the other side, the bed side, major dents at the tail panel, the tail light area. Along the top rail is rippled. No fuel door, and again on this side the pillar is smashed in, so the door won't shut. This side the doors wasn't as bad, but they were hit too. The fender was, dented up too, as you can see. In a lot of areas it's dented up. The hood you can't see too bad, but it's got scrapes on the scoop, the fake scoop, and it's got dents around it too. Oh, and do me a favor by smashing that subscribe, hit the like, and leave a comment. That'll help the channel a lot. So I got lucky that no airbags was deployed. I didn't have to do a steering wheel bag, dash bag, curtains, none of the above. Not a module, a seat belt. The whole interior was cool. I'm surprised. I'm really wondering what they did to this truck. But I will be replacing minimum parts as I can. Try to fix as much as I can. I replaced the mirrors and tail lights, tailgate. Easy stuff that I can. Of course, the top one is going to have to get replaced. The pillar is going to have to get replaced. But I'm going to try to work as much of the panels as I can without buying them. It may be tough because the doors are aluminum. So I'm going to try to work those as much as I can. But the bed, definitely I'm going to try to work. And the fenders and hood, which is aluminum too, I'm going to try to work too. Trying to keep the cost down as much as possible. I'll have to take that back. It was a tear in the console. If you can see real close on the top of the console armrest pad, it's a tear in that, and the headliner was just pushed down. So That's really the only thing was wrong. Surprisingly, the grill's good, headlights good, but where's the bumper? Didn't come with a bumper. So I really like to know what these guys did. So here's the donor cab, or not the donor cab. This is the cab I purchased to repair the truck. I cut the pillars out already and took the roof off. So this is the extent of what I have to do to mines. As you can see here, I skinned the top off of this one and emptied out the whole interior, and I put it in the donor cab. Because when I went to start welding, I didn't want to put weld sparks and burn marks all over the interior, so I just stripped it down. And this is how I look. Convertible Silverado. There you go. But here you can see I already welded on the pillars, and the doors are shutting now. They shutting fine now. So please stay along with me on this project. I will be updating it soon because it's pretty much done. Stay along with this project with me. Subscribe, like, comment, dislike, whatever. And show me that you're paying attention to this build. Thanks.